Hello everyone. Let's see how to use Pasco's capstone for some video analysis, shall we? First thing, we need to click on this video analysis button on the opening screen. Then we are going to need a video. So I have something here of my son's latest Lego build. Now before we start taking the data, we just need to adjust or calibrate the measurement tool. So as you see, we have a meter right here. So I just need to move the calibration tool over here so that the software knows how big everything is. So I would like this go over 1 meter, but I don't really have a 1 meter distance. So I'm just going to go to 50 centimeter instead. I'm going to adjust this as best I can. And now this is not 1 meter, obviously, this is 50 centimeters. So I'm just going to change this into 0.5 meters right there. All right, now we are ready to collect data. Now let's advance the video to find where our object going to start. Oops, this went all the way. So let's go all the way to the beginning. And right there. Okay, I just need to advance using one of these little arrows. Okay, so let's go frame by frame. Nothing is moving yet. Okay, now it's going to start moving. Now, in order to track this, I just need to click on a constant point on this one. Like for example, this little white section. Each time I click on it, the video advances 1 frame. And then I just need to click it again. And this way, it tracks the position and the time of the object. So here you go, it goes further. You just need to do this as carefully as you can. And also, you can use this magnifying button. That might help you see things better. All right, there you go. So I'm just finding the center of this white piece. So it keeps moving. So maybe I should take a couple more data points to be able to see the entire range of motion. All right. Okay. So it's starting to get blurry, but I am doing my best to click on the middle of the point all the time. I think this is more than enough points. Now, as you see, I have some sort of graph created in here. It just shows Y position of object to X position of object. Actually, I want the Y position, the vertical position versus time, right? So I'm just going to change this into time. Well, this is more like it. Yep. So I can see now what kind of motion this car is undergoing. I can also bring in the data table from here. So let's just drag in a table at this location. We can size it to any size we want. Okay, and we also need to tell what kind of measurement we want. So right now it says select measurement. I want to see the position. So to choose the position, I go to video analysis, object 1. There is X or Y. So my object is moving in the vertical, so I choose Y. And then on the second part, I choose the time. Okay, so now I have access to data, and I also have access to the graph. Well, there is a lot more you can do. You can just bring more graphs and different types of graphs and analysis. This much should be enough to get you started. All right, let's try to do the rest of it in class. See you later.